This is the introduction to Maker hardware. I'm going to start by introducing you to the hardware components you will be working with. Right here is the Maker board. We have the USB power cable. There is a battery pack for external projects. This does not need to be used when you connect the Maker at first, but may be used later. These are crocodile wires. Like the battery pack, they won't be used to begin with. Okay, getting started with the Maker. So remove it from its packaging and I'll introduce some of the features first. So on the front we have buttons left and right. There's an array of LEDs around the bottom and top. There are some pin pads to connect other devices using those crocodile pins we discussed earlier. There are an array of LEDs across the middle as well on the front. Turning the board over, we have the connection for the USB lead. We have the battery pack connection. We have a buzzer on this side. We have a sound sensor on the other side, temperature sensor, reset button, and accelerometer in the middle. Okay, before you connect to the software, you must first connect the USB cable, as so. This connection is very stiff. We recommend once connected, leave this connected at all times to avoid damage, and connect the other end to a USB on the computer you're using. Once connected, your Maker will display green lights. Okay, now that your Maker is connected to the USB, you can launch the Maker application by double-clicking the Maker icon or accessing it via the Start menu. Once you launch Maker, it may take a couple of minutes to configure. This is completely normal. Once connected, you can create software programs using ArduBlockly. There is a separate guide for this. If you happen to click Upload Sketch to the Arduino and you get this message whilst using Maker, it usually means there is something like a USB stick connected to your computer which is causing the problems. What we suggest, if this is the case, is exit the software, disconnect and reconnect your Maker, and then launch the software again and wait for the configuration.